Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Maybe got some kayaking as well. So you can see some people practicing right now. So we're gonna be, and you can also see the stands. So we're gonna get a view for all. Oh, I think this is where they're doing the train stuff. So they're building deep inside. People working up there. And then this one, I don't know what they're gonna do with this yet, but I hope they have like some better access to the Macau Tower. It's a nice space, really nice space. It's hardly ever utilized, so I think when they build a train, it might become very popular, and then it'll really transform this street. I haven't filmed this street in ages, but this is where they do all the riverboat racing, and you can so they got all the riverboats all set up, and you got some stands all set up as well. So we're gonna walk along that way, and then there's the Macau Tower. So basically what I'm gonna do is just gonna do a little part of the street, and then just kind of give you some context that it's here. It's called Nam Van Lake. It's called Panoramic Avenue of Nam Van Lake. And we'll kind of give you a little bit of an idea of it as well. You can see the skyline down here. The sun is bright, but we're gonna go the other way anyway, so give you a little context too. Grand Lisboa Casino, Treasure Island, Yoho, Wynn Casino, MGM Casino. So let's go on down. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so we're gonna walk along our panoramic road. So they have the dragon boat races getting set up pretty soon. And you can kind of see they've got some kayaking as well. So you can see some people practicing right now. So we're gonna be, and you can also see the stands. So we're gonna get a view for all of those things in a moment. So I think the dragon boats are coming up obviously pretty soon. I don't know the dates exactly. This little tent is always in here, so sometimes you'll see different events happening in this space. That's part of the tents for watching the dragon boat racing. And then you can see more all along the way. So they'll just temporarily construct it for the dragon boat racing, and then it'll disappear again later. So you can see them setting it up, right? So that's all temporary. They got it blocked. So usually you can walk straight down that way. And you can walk along the waterfront. And I have filmed over here, but I haven't recently. That's Macau Tower in the background, and then all the stands for the dragon boat racing. And then I'll give you some other context. There's Peña Church way up over there. That's Praia Grande, the road. Saivan Lake is over that way. Macau Tower is straight ahead. And then straight ahead is the judicial buildings, like the if you have to go to court and stuff like that. But to the immediate left is the dragon boat racing stands, temporarily set up. I haven't noticed these giant white eggs before. I don't know if that's relatively new or if I just haven't noticed them before. Okay, so dragon boat racing, Avenida de Sai van. I'm gonna try to find the road sign, and I'm also gonna try to get over there a little bit as well as soon as I get a chance. They're also building a train station. So this is our target street right here. But over here they're building a train station which is gonna go through this, and then it'll probably transform this area quite a bit. But yeah, this used to have a bunch of city vehicles and all kinds of stuff in here, and then they transformed it. So that'll be interesting to see how this area changes because of the you know, when they build the train. And then also it'll bring more access to the Macau Tower over there as well. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna put the camera over the red fence, and I'm gonna walk over to that side in a moment. Oh, I think this is where they're doing the train stuff. So they're building deep inside. People working up there. And then this one, I don't know what they're gonna do with this yet, but I hope they have like some better access to the Macau Tower. Okay, so let me come back into our main road over here. And what I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna walk over, and I just want to view the water real quick. So yeah, when they transform this with that train line, it'll be interesting. Lots of people practicing out there today. So yeah, this Macau Tower. That's all the construction that they're doing. There's the judicial courts. And if this was open, we could walk underneath. Come out over here. It's a nice space, really nice space. It's hardly ever utilized, so I think when they build a train, it might become very popular, and then it'll really transform this street. But until then, you can enjoy it and watch the dragon boat preparation today. There's Macau Tower, and then we're going to end it right there, and then all those are the judicial courts right over on the other side as well. That's the name of the street right there. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.